Hi, it's Katherine from DKW, and today I want to show you guys how to fake the perfect blowout at home. Okay, so it is a busier day here in the salon, so bear with us. It's a little bit different than when I was filming tutorials in my bathroom. So, starting, I want to use the new dry heat protectant from Oribe. It's replacement of their conditioner and a heat protectant in one, so we've been absolutely obsessed with it. Okay, I'm gonna spray it my mid-lengths through the ends and really make sure that I get it all over. We wanna protect the extension hair as well as our own hair. Okay, then we're gonna brush it through. And we'll get into the fun part. So I'm gonna section my hair off into two sections, my main row and my bottom row. We want bigger, bouncier curls, so I'm gonna use the 1 1/4 extra long barrel from Bio Ionic. So I've got fuzzier hair, so I wanna make sure that I'm really smoothing everything down. And you always want to make sure that your barrel is going to be completely horizontal, and when it comes to twist out, you just let go. Completely horizontal, barely opening the barrel to let some hair in. Again, I'm using the Bio Ionic 1 1/4. Always keep your temperature at 320. To finish up today's look, I'm going to use the Oribe Thick Dry Finishing Spray. It's light hold and it's brushable, so I'm obsessed with it. And then through my ends, I'm going to run the Gold Lust All Over oil. I like the way it makes my ends look super hydrated, and I love the way it feels. Okay, now it's time to drop the top. Okay, so we're going to make sure that we really smooth out our hair so that it blends in really nicely to the extensions, and we're gonna do the same thing that we did to the bottom to the top. And we're gonna start the top with our little bangs. So we're gonna section out just our face framing, and remember to be really horizontal with this. Curl up and away from our face. Hold for just a few seconds since it is really sensitive hair. We're gonna curl the front back up, and we're gonna clip it and forget about it. Okay, so now that we're done curling, we're gonna spray with the Oribe Thick Dry Spray. It's super brushable, but gives it a nice light hold. I like to spray upwards so that I get all of the hairs. Don't forget the bangs. I'm gonna take the Isla Metal Bristled Brush, and I'm gonna start from the ends and brush my way up. Then I'm gonna run the Oribe All Over oil just through the ends to give them a nice shine. And you don't need a whole lot. Okay guys, and that's how I do my super soft fake blowout curls. I really enjoy doing them. It's a good everyday go-to look, and I hope you guys give it a go.